Hello everyone. Duduzile Zuma, the daughter of former President Jacob Zuma, has broken her silence over the video that was circulating online showing EFF leader Julius Malema waving away Mbuyiseni when he actually wanted to work with the management. The Sunday Times publication tweeted, as Mbuyiseni was about to have his moment of glory at the head of the march, the leader shooed him off to deploy himself elsewhere and make a space for Kalchi House. Duduzile responded on the tweet and defended the EFF and said, "You were not even there. I was next to Julius when this happened. For your right information, the media was slowing the front line, so Julius asked Ndlozi to ask the media to move back. You all are idiots and people's narratives have been annoying." What's your take on this one, people? Do you think Duduzile is low-key EFF member? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.